We all want to make money by doing the least amount of work possible. Now, although I do encourage putting in effort when it comes to making money, these side hustles that I'm going to talk about today don't really require much effort in doing them. I'm about to reveal the ultimate secrets to financial success using the most laziest methods. You can make this money literally anywhere, from the comfort of your own sofa, your bed, or even in a beach. Now, there are several ways you can make money in the most laziest ways, but today I'm going to go over 4 methods which I believe are the laziest as well as the best methods to make money by putting in the least amount of effort. All of these can make you well over $10,000 every month. So let's start off with the first one, which is blogging. Blogging is a very lazy way to make money online. Now, when I say lazy, I don't mean that you're not going to put any effort into it. Instead, I mean that blogging allows you to generate income from your writing and passion, even while you're sleeping or enjoying other activities. Once your blog gains traction, it can become a self-sustaining source of income. With blogging, all you need to do is find trending videos on YouTube that are doing well and are getting a lot of views and literally transform them into a blog post. You can also use this tool called Google Trends. Google Trends allows you to find out what people are searching for and make blogs around that. This means that if you do the correct SEO work, you'll easily be discovered on popular search engines based on certain keywords and get thousands of views on your blog post. You also do not need to completely write the scripts for your blog post entirely yourself. Instead, what you can do is use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you create the content that you're going to put in your blog. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I make money with these blogs? Well, there's several ways, but I'll tell you 2 main ways. Number 1 is Google AdSense. This is where you can put ads around your blog, and depending on how many views your blog gets, you'll get paid accordingly. The second way is affiliate marketing. This is where you can plug in affiliate links where if someone clicks on the link and buys the product or service, you will earn a commission. Now, although blogging will initially require some effort, but once established, you can start earning 6 figures while you sleep. Now, there are multiple blogs you can start in different types of niches. For example, you've got tech, you've got finance. Now, in my opinion, the best way to do these blogs is to create something called Google to purchase middleman. Essentially, you're going to make websites very similar to these and plug in your affiliate links. With the correct SEO work, you can then be discovered by popular search terms like the best noise cancelling headphones and start profiting off these terms. Again, you can use Google Trends to find out what people are searching for and use this to your advantage. Now, if you do want a full step-by-step video on how to do this, make sure you leave it down in the comments below. Now, we touched on it with blogging, but the next lazy way to make money is affiliate marketing. As mentioned, affiliate marketing is when you plug in a link and when someone clicks on that link and buys that product, you'll then get a commission of that sale. For example, let's say you advertise a $500 product from Amazon and you'll make 2% of each sale. So if you sell 5,000, you'll make $50,000. Now, you can do affiliate marketing in multiple ways, so it doesn't have to just be products from Amazon. It can be a product or service from multiple companies. Websites like ClickBank and Digistore allow you to work with multiple companies and create your own affiliate links for them. Now, obviously, as I mentioned earlier, you can use blogs to make money through affiliate marketing. However, there's multiple ways to make money through affiliate marketing. One of the most popular ways is using TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. There are people using these platforms and are making serious money. These people are making over $10,000 a month and is one of the easiest and laziest methods to make money online. Because let's say you've made a video and you've plugged in your link. People can click the link and buy the product or service at any time, which means you can constantly make money even years and years down the line. And the best part is you no longer need to do anything more on that video, as you've done the video once, and that will constantly generate you money going forwards. Affiliate marketing is one of the best and laziest methods to make money in 2023. However, make sure you keep watching, as the next 2 are the laziest methods on the list. Also, guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that like button and also make sure you subscribe to the channel. Are you looking for your dream car? Well, then make sure you check out the MotorWeb. The MotorWeb is a fantastic company that offers a wide variety of vehicles as well as amazing customer service. It's your go-to place to get you your dream car. They also sorted out one of my cars. So make sure you check out the MotorWeb. The link will be in the description. Also, make sure you follow them on Instagram as well. All of that will be in the description below. Let's move on to our 3rd lazy way to make money on the list, and that is a faceless YouTube channel. A faceless YouTube channel is one of the ultimate laziest ways to make money online. Reason being is you can literally get to a stage where you're doing absolutely nothing. That's right, you can literally make money by doing absolutely nothing. Okay, it's not exactly nothing. You'll still need to oversee the entire operation, but ultimately you'll be doing the bare minimum and you can actually make up to $75,000 in a single month. So how does a faceless YouTube channel work? A faceless YouTube channel are channels just like these that, you guessed it, are faceless. Here's an example video.
Want to catch a glimpse of what flying might look like in the future? Then you're in the right place. Economy class lie-flat bunk beds, vertical flying vehicles, AI-powered in-flight meal service. Buckle up and let's start our flight.
Now these videos can be extremely profitable. So what makes this lazy is that you'll be outsourcing all your work to freelancers that you can hire through Upwork or even Fiverr. You'll hire someone who creates a script. You'll hire someone who creates a voiceover. You'll hire someone who creates the actual video. And once you put these together, you then have a faceless YouTube video. Now before you do any of that, you'll need to decide a niche. The most profitable niches are like finance and tech videos. And another amazing thing is you can use affiliate marketing in your description to make even more money. For example, let's say you're doing a video on top 5 headphones. You can then get an Amazon affiliate link for each of the headphones that you talk about in your video. So if someone goes on that link and buys that product, you'll earn a cut. You also make a lot of money through Google AdSense, depending on how many views you get. You'll also get sponsorships as well, so you can make even more money doing this. You can easily scale this to 6 figures a year. Now you might be thinking, well, I don't have that much money and I don't really want to put any money into it to hire people to do the work. Now this is okay. If you don't want to put money in the beginning, what you can do is do some of the work in the beginning, and once your channel starts earning you money, you can then use these earnings to start slowly delegating your work to freelancers. This is what makes it truly lazy, because once you have made a video, as you've done the work once, that video will be generating more views and you'll still be earning money years and years later. Again, if you do want a full step-by-step video on this, make sure you put it down in the comments below. Now the final lazy way to make money online is something called print on demand. Print on demand is essentially selling white label goods with your own design on it. The company will then print and ship your order directly to the customer, which means you do not need to hold any inventory and you do not need to spend thousands to buy the products, as you'll only buy the products once someone makes an order. It's a great business model and you can use this to make tons of money in 2023. There are multiple print on demand businesses that you can create. However, I'll talk about one specific way, which is one of the laziest ways, and you can earn a lot of money doing it. And that is by selling coffee mugs. Yes, believe it or not, selling coffee mugs is actually a lucrative business. If you look at some of these Etsy shops, they're making well over 6 figures every year, and you have some shops making millions, and literally all they are doing is selling coffee mugs. And what makes this truly lazy is we can use AI to create designs that we can then place onto the coffee mugs. Using tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, you can go from something like this to something like this. And you can then sell this on Etsy and make a lot of money without ever seeing or holding the product. I have made a full step-by-step video on how to do this. Click on that link over there and start making some money online. At the end of the day, guys, there are a lot of lazy methods that you can do, but you still need to put in some of that work. Using AI tools make them 10 times easier, but ultimately you'll need to put in the work so you can see the results. However, once you do scale any of these businesses, you can make passive income by doing literally the least amount of effort, and you'll constantly make money while you're sleeping. So that's the video there, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe and like, and we'll catch you guys for another video.